Music is a universal language. It transcends cultures and time. From the rhythmic drumming of ancient tribes to the complex symphonies of today, music has always been an integral part of the human experience. Archaeological evidence suggests that music has been around for at least 40,000 years. This suggests that music is deeply ingrained in our nature. It is part of what makes us human. Throughout history, music has played many roles in human societies. It has been used in religious ceremonies, for healing, for storytelling, and for pure entertainment. Despite its varied uses, music's fundamental ability to evoke emotions and connect people remains constant. This universality hints at a deep biological basis for our love of music. This universality is not limited to just our appreciation for music. It extends to the structure of music itself. Across cultures, music shares common elements like rhythm, melody, and harmony. These elements are combined in diverse ways, creating the rich tapestry of musical styles we have today. This shared musical language, despite cultural differences, suggests that our brains are wired for music. This inherent understanding of music's building blocks allows us to appreciate music from different cultures. Even without understanding the lyrics, we can still connect to the emotion and feel the rhythm. Whether it's the passionate flamenco of Spain or the soulful blues of the American South, music speaks to us on a primal emotional level. This universal language of music highlights its power to unite us. Music has a profound impact on our brains. When we listen to music, multiple areas of our brain light up, showing a complex interplay of activity. This neural symphony involves areas responsible for emotion, memory, language, and movement. Understanding how music affects our brain can explain its powerful hold on us. One of the key neurotransmitters involved in our experience of music is dopamine. Dopamine is often called the feel-good chemical because it is associated with pleasure and reward. Listening to music, especially music we enjoy, triggers the release of dopamine in our brains. This surge of dopamine is what contributes to the feeling of pleasure we get from listening to our favorite songs. The brain regions involved in music processing are not limited to pleasure centers. The hippocampus, crucial for memory formation, is also activated. This explains why music can evoke vivid memories, often associated with strong emotions. The amygdala, the brain's emotional hub, is also involved. It helps us process the emotions embedded in music, whether it's the joy of an upbeat melody or the sorrow of a melancholic tune. The complexity of music processing extends beyond these individual areas. Music also strengthens connections between different parts of the brain. Studies have shown that musicians, for example, often have a larger corpus callosum, the bridge connecting the two hemispheres of the brain. This enhanced connectivity may contribute to musicians' enhanced cognitive abilities in other areas, such as language and spatial reasoning. The brain on music is a symphony of interconnected activity, explaining why music is such a powerful and multifaceted experience. Why does music have such a powerful effect on us? To answer this question, we can look back at our evolutionary history. While music may seem like a form of entertainment, some scientists believe it played a crucial role in the survival of our early ancestors. These theories suggest that music was more than just enjoyable. It was advantageous for early humans. One prominent theory suggests that music played a role in social bonding. Early humans lived in small groups, and social cohesion was essential for their survival. Music, with its ability to synchronize movements and emotions, may have helped strengthen social bonds within these groups. By singing and dancing together, our ancestors could have fostered a sense of unity and cooperation. Furthermore, music may have been a tool for communication before the development of complex language. The different tones and rhythms in music could have conveyed information about potential threats, food sources, or even emotional states. This form of pre-linguistic communication could have been crucial for survival in the harsh environments of our ancestors. Music may have also played a role in attracting mates. Just as birds use songs to attract partners, early humans might have used music to signal their fitness and availability. The ability to create and perform music could have been a sign of intelligence, creativity, and good health, qualities that would have been desirable in a mate. This theory suggests that our love for music could be rooted in deeply ingrained biological drives. While these theories are still debated, they offer compelling explanations for why music is such a universal and powerful force in human lives. Music may not be essential for survival in the modern world, but its ability to connect us, move us, and make us feel alive is a testament to its deep evolutionary roots. Music is a powerful tool for influencing and expressing emotions. Whether it's the joy of a happy tune or the comfort of a sad song, music resonates with our emotional states. This connection between music and emotion is deeply ingrained in our brains, influencing how we experience and regulate our feelings. The power of music to manipulate emotions is evident in its use in film and television. A carefully chosen soundtrack can heighten suspense, amplify joy, or deepen sadness. Think of a scary movie scene without the ominous score. It simply wouldn't be as effective. These techniques work because music taps into our emotional centers directly, bypassing our conscious thought processes. Beyond entertainment, music is a powerful tool for emotional regulation. Listening to calming music can lower stress levels and reduce anxiety. This is because slow, steady rhythms can actually slow down our heart rate and breathing, inducing a state of relaxation. Upbeat music, on the other hand, can energize us, improve our mood, and even motivate us to exercise. This emotional connection has led to the development of music therapy, a growing field that utilizes music to address a variety of physical, emotional, and cognitive needs. Music therapy can be used to treat conditions like depression, anxiety, and PTSD. It can also help patients with brain injuries recover language and motor skills. The effectiveness of music therapy highlights the potent connection between music and our emotional well-being. Section 5. Feel the beat. Rhythm is a fundamental element of music. It's the heartbeat that drives the music forward and compels us to move. From tapping our feet to dancing with abandon, our bodies have a natural tendency to synchronize with musical rhythms. This innate connection between rhythm and movement has both physical and mental implications. Our brains are wired to detect and respond to rhythm. The auditory cortex, responsible for processing sound, works in tandem with the motor cortex, which controls movement, to create this synchronized response. This explains why even infants who have yet to develop complex musical preferences instinctively bounce and sway to music. This synchronization goes beyond tapping our feet. It affects our entire physiology. Upbeat music with a fast tempo can increase our heart rate, breathing, and blood pressure, mimicking the physiological changes that occur during exercise. This is why upbeat music is often used in workouts. It can actually improve our athletic performance by boosting our energy levels and endurance. On the other hand, slower rhythms can have a calming effect on our bodies. Listening to music with a slow tempo can slow down our heart rate and breathing, inducing a state of relaxation. This is why calming music is often used in meditation and relaxation techniques. It helps to quiet the mind and reduce stress by regulating our physiological responses. This powerful connection between rhythm and our physical and mental states highlights the primal nature of music. It's not just something we hear, it's something we feel in every fiber of our being. Section 6. Music and the mind, productivity, or procrastination. Many of us turn to music while studying or working, believing it boosts our productivity. This belief has led to the rise of focused music playlists and the enduring myth of the Mozart effect, the idea that listening to classical music enhances cognitive abilities. However, the relationship between music and productivity is complex and often depends on individual preferences and the type of task at hand. The Mozart effect originated from a study that showed a temporary improvement in spatial temporal reasoning after listening to Mozart. This finding, however, was often misinterpreted and overgeneralized. While listening to Mozart or other classical music might be enjoyable and relaxing, there's no conclusive evidence that it directly translates to increased intelligence or improved performance on all tasks. For some, music can be a helpful tool for concentration. Listening to familiar, instrumental music can block out distracting noises and create a focused auditory environment. This can be particularly helpful for people who are easily distracted by external stimuli. However, for others, music, especially music with lyrics, can be a distraction. Trying to process lyrics while simultaneously focusing on a task can overload our cognitive resources, leading to decreased productivity. The key to using music effectively for productivity lies in understanding its impact on our individual cognitive styles. If you find yourself getting distracted by lyrics or complex melodies, opt for instrumental music or nature sounds. If music helps you get into a flow state, experiment with different genres and playlists to find what works best for you. Ultimately, the best way to determine if music enhances your productivity is through self-experimentation and mindful listening. Section 7. Finding your identity in every note. Music is deeply intertwined with our personal and cultural identities. The music we listen to can reflect our personality, our values, and our experiences. It can connect us to our heritage, our communities, and our memories. Music is more than just sound, it is a powerful form of self-expression and a reflection of who we are. Our musical preferences often begin to form in adolescence, a time when we are exploring our identities and seeking to establish our individuality. The music we listen to during this period can become a powerful symbol of our evolving selves, shaping our tastes and influencing our social groups. Beyond individual identity, music plays a significant role in cultural identity. Traditional music, passed down through generations, carries the history, stories, and values of a culture. It serves as a powerful tool for preserving cultural heritage and fostering a sense of belonging within a community. Think of the soulful melodies of fado in Portugal, or the intricate rhythms of gamelan music in Indonesia. Moreover, music can connect us to specific times and places. Hearing a song from our childhood can transport us back to that moment, evoking vivid memories and emotions. This nostalgic power of music highlights its ability to tap into our personal histories and connect us to our past selves. Music is more than just a form of entertainment, it is a reflection of our individual and collective experiences. It shapes our identities, connects us to our cultures, and evokes our most cherished memories. Section 8. The mystery of music. Despite its ubiquity and its profound impact on our lives, music remains a mystery in many ways. We still don't fully understand why music has such a powerful hold on us. Why do certain combinations of sounds evoke such strong emotions? Why are we so drawn to rhythm and melody? These are questions that continue to fascinate scientists and musicians alike. One of the enduring mysteries of music is its abstract nature. Unlike language, which directly conveys meaning through words and grammar, music communicates through emotions and feelings. A sad song doesn't tell us a story, it makes us feel sadness. This ability to communicate complex emotions without words is part of what makes music so powerful and elusive. Another mystery lies in the universality of music while acknowledging the subjectivity of musical taste. While certain musical elements like rhythm and melody are universally recognized, individual preferences for genres and artists can vary widely. What one person finds beautiful, another may find grating. This subjective experience of music suggests that our cultural backgrounds, personal experiences, and even our genes play a role in shaping our musical tastes. The study of music and its effects on the brain, known as neuromusicology, is a rapidly growing field. Scientists are using brain imaging techniques, such as fMRI, to understand how our brains process music and why it evokes such powerful responses. As we delve deeper into the neuroscience of music, we may begin to unravel the secrets behind its profound impact on our emotions, our memories, and our very sense of self. Section 9. Conclusion. The enduring power of music. From the moment we are born, our lives are filled with music. It's the lullaby that soothes us to sleep, the soundtrack to our teenage angst, the first dance at our wedding, the song that brings back a flood of memories. Music is woven into the fabric of our lives, enriching our experiences and connecting us to ourselves, each other, and the world around us. Music's ability to transcend language and cultural barriers makes it a powerful tool for communication and understanding. It can bridge divides, foster empathy, and create a sense of shared humanity. Whether we're listening to a symphony orchestra or singing along to our favorite song, music has the power to unite us in a way that few other things can. In a world that often feels increasingly divided, music offers a source of solace, connection, and joy. It's a reminder of our shared humanity and a testament to the enduring power of art to move us, inspire us, and make us feel truly alive. As we continue to explore the mysteries of music, one thing remains certain: its ability to captivate our hearts and minds will endure for generations to come.